Let's talk about how to add audio to your video in CapCut PC. To do that, simply go up here and click on audio. We have different options in adding audio in CapCut. You can simply import audio from your device, or you can use the already existing audio in CapCut. But please bear in mind, if you're adding audio from CapCut directly, some of these audios are copyrighted, so they are not going to be allowed on different platforms that you want to add it to. So if you want to add audio directly from CapCut, you simply come down to audio, you click on music, and from here you can choose different type of audio you want to add to your video. Simply click on the download button and it will be added to your video. Or if you want to import an audio that you have, you can simply come down to import, then click on this import option, and from here you select the folder where your audio is. For this, I'm going to select an audio from my folder, click on the open option, and it's going to be added inside your media option. Now you just have to click on this plus button to add it to track, or you can long press on it, then bring it down and add it to this track. You can see that the audio layer has been created. If I play this video, you will see that an audio has been added to my video. Now let's take a preview of this. You can see that an audio layer has been added to my video. What we can now do here is to make sure that we split this audio layer to match the same length with our video. To do that, take your playhead forward to the end of your video, select the audio layer, then come down here and click on split, and your audio layer is going to be splitted into two. Now we have to delete the excess part of this audio layer by pressing delete on your keyboard, and that is going to be deleted. And now we have our audio layer as the same length with our video layer. And this is how you add audio in CapCut PC.